Hey, do you use these ratchet straps or tie down straps for anything? You may be in your truck or on your trailer, and then it's time to store them and put them away, and you just do them like this and throw them in your truck, and then you go to use them, and you're like, trying to untangle it and all that, and that's fine if that's what you want to do, but. And the reason we're standing here in front of my trash bin, I happen to use one of these on the trash bin to secure the trash with, and you can check out another video that we have on our channel about that. But I wanted to show you an easy way that you can store these straps when you're not using them to make them, easy to get out. So you've got your straps, and you've got a short side with a hook, and then you've got the long side with the hook. So you want to take and pull this long side out like this. And then this is the ratchet part of it. Go ahead and close this down. Take your short side and just lay it up here like this on top of the ratchet, and then turn your hook like this to the side, and then get the side the long side that you have laying out here, and just start wrapping it. And it takes a little bit of time to get used to doing this, and it takes a minute to do it, but I guarantee you that once you have it done and you get in the habit of doing this more often, it'll kind of come natural, and it'll be a lot easier to get these out and unwind them, for use, if you will. Maybe you've got, 10 or 15 of these straps that you use in the bed of your truck or on a trailer or what have you. It's just make it part of your routine, and it'll come natural. So we get that hook like that. So now that we've got it kind of secured like this, you take that hook that you had open and just turn it back over the strap like that, and it'll hold, everything, and it keeps it kind of neat and tidy. And then when it's time to undo it, you just pull that hook around and then just let it come off, and you're ready to use your ratchet strap. And that's a lot easier than trying to dig out a tangled mess. And I guarantee you, if you have 5 or 6 of these, or 10, or however many you have, and you just store them like this, and you go to pull one out, you're probably going to get 4 or 5 of them out. So you're going to have a tangled mess. So just a tip, thought it might be helpful for some of you out there that use these things. I have a bunch of them that I use, different links that I use for different things around the property. I've used them to secure loads with, but I just like them. They're handy. They're a web strap. You can leave them out in the weather. It doesn't hurt them to get wet. Typically they don't rust. If you get the ratchet gets to be a little cranky as far as using it, just take a little WD-40 and spray on it, and you'll be good to go. Just a little tip that I use on storing these ratchet straps that I wanted to share with everybody. I've got others. You see them? They're all stored using that method. And some of these, like that blue one, it's 20 feet long. The strap is on the long side. But I used to keep these in here, I'd just throw them in. And when it was time to come grab one out, I would get 3 or 4 out at a time, because the hooks just kind of grab onto other stuff. But now I can grab one and it comes out and, ready to use.